And we're back for which car is it anyway? Today is a 1974 Camaro Type LT. And get this, no lie, paperwork to prove it, 14,100 some odd miles on it. Quite possibly the lowest mile 74 Camaro in the country. If not, it is one of the lowest mile Camaros. 74 350 model, or 350 motor transmission, 4-barrel original. Got the original tires and wheels with the car. Got a little dry rot. Someone decided to upgrade to a few nice looking little rallies, which we'll take it all day long. Interior is nice on this car. It's got, for a 74, untouched. There's mileage. Type LT. You know, we're not selling it as a big block car. $50,000, overpriced. This car's reasonably priced at $26,900. To add to the prominence of the car, we do have a copy of the original title, which we do have the original title, purchase agreement, paperwork from new, warranty papers, registration, temporary tag registration receipt, 40 days for 1974. Now you can only issue one for 30 days in Kentucky. So that's changed a little bit. Let's get back to the car. Bought new at Evans Chevrolet in Bluefield, West Virginia, which is just a couple hours away from here. Not far at all. There's the wire on the back seat I was talking about. Let's see if I can find the keys to the trunk. Well, I got them here somewhere, guys. Ta-da! Told you I did. Trim needs, I'll fix that up where just the glue's come loose on it. Man, it's getting warm today. It was in the upper 70s here this weekend. It was really nice. But it's summer. We expect this. Super solid underneath. Original spare. Don't look like it's ever been on the ground. I love that color. Gold. Gold! I love gold. I do like gold. Can't afford it, but I like it. Got a little patina here. Comes nature of the beast with a car. 49 years old. Never been touched or touched up. Got a little rub spot there. Looks like they probably backed in and out of a garage some point in its time, because it's got a rub spot here. Other door. See the back seats. Nice. Front seats are perfect. Got a little more paperwork in the dashboard that goes with the car from the 80s. Show you underneath. Let's see if I can pan it. I'm getting too old to get down like this. Rust-free floor pans. Rockers are perfect. Now, I'm gonna try this. One-handed. Hang on just a second, guys. I apologize. Because I'm not good with one hand. .354 barrel. Somebody's put a battery in. It's got an interstate battery. It looks like the overflow jug's probably been replaced. Probably dry rotted. Those bad for that over the years. Plastic gets brittle. All the original under the hood, besides the jug. But guys, if you're looking for something that's different, something that when you pull into a show, you're not gonna find another, and probably going on the lowest mile 74 Camaro LT Type in the country, this is the car for you. I do have financing available up to, on this car, I can probably get 84 months with approved credit. I can also ship it to your front door. We're super easy to work with. Just give me a call today, 606-220-3225, or look us up at timshortclassics.net. Shoot me a message there. We'll do anything we can to help you out. Thank you all for checking out the video. Y'all have a great day. God bless.